Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. Now exercise 3.3. Question number 1. Use the bar graph. Figure 3.3 you are looking inside to answer the following question. Which is the most popular pet? That's cat. Graph is going up, so that is cat. And then how many students have dog as a pet? So dog, see the dog table is going up to 8, so that is 8. When you will be see in tabular sheet. Second question, read the bar graph which show the number of books sold by a book store during 5 consecutive year and answer the following question. So here 3.4 that figure is given about how many books were sold in 1989. So that first part is 1989, that if you will see in graph that will be 175, and then 1990 that will be 475, about is this one, and then 1992 that will be 250. Second question, second part, that in which year were about 475, that will be 1990, and then 225 that is 1992. Third part, in which year were fewer than 250 books sold? Approximate 1992. Fourth part, can you explain how you would estimate the number of books in sold 1989? That is approx 175. Third question, that is A part. Number of children in 6 different classes are given below. Represent the data on bar graph. So first of all we will draw the bar graph. That is solution first. That is bar graph. So first of all we will see the scale. That will be like this. We will write the 2 line horizontal and vertical, and then we will write the table of 10, 0, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, because maximum is 135. And then first will be that you will leave the one box of graph, that is 135. So up to here that will be go 135. This is the fifth. You will write in here fifth. Here you will write fifth. And then 120. Leave one box again and draw like this. This is sixth. You will write sixth. Okay. And then, or you can write here also 95. That will become up to here. This is seventh. And then 100. English is just up. 100 English. no, sorry, eighth, that is eighth, and then 90, just less, that is ninth, 80, 10th. This is the bar graph. And then question number, part number A, solution. How would you choose a scale? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 children. 10 children. 10 children. B, first part, that which class has maximum number of children and minimum? 5th and 10th. 5th and 10th. And 10th. Second part, that is find the ratio of the student of 6th class and 8th class. So ratio will be 120 ratio, that is 5th class, 6th class and 8th class is 100. Or you can reduce also, that will be reduced to 5 ja or to 6 ja. So 6 ratio 5. And then question number 4. The performance of student of first team and second team is given. Draw the double bar graph. So first of all we will write the double bar graph. Here also we will draw like the same. No need to draw the top. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, because maximum is 95. So first is, we'll see, leave the first box, and then after 67 we will go to 67. So 67 up to here must approximately will become, we will write the team first. First team, and then after second team 70. So just above, that will be second team, or here we will write English, that is English, right? And then one box we will leave that for Hindi, we will write 72. So 72 just up to here is there, 72. This is the first team, and then second team is a 65. 65 up to here will come. Second team, and then Hindi you will be right here. English here, first team, second team, and then after maths 88 means up to here approximately, and you will be leave the one box again, that is first team, and then second team is 95. So 95 goes to approximately here, second team, and then this is the maths. Next science 81. 81 approximately here. And then 81, 85 just up, that is first team, second team, and then this is the science for SST social science, that is 73 up to here approximately, after leaving the one box for your graph, and then 75 just up, that is first team, second team, and then social science. Okay, this is the double bar graph, and then you can write here also the numbers is given in that, no need to write that one. And then first part of this question, solution: in which subject has the children improve his performance the most? That is maths. Students are more improving than other subject. Second part, because maths marks you are looking at in table, in first test that was 88, now is 95. In which subject is the improvement is least? Social science. Because of that we are looking social science. First test 73, second test is 75. Only 2 marks is increase. Social science. Third part is that has the performance gone down in any subject? Yes, Hindi, because in first test 72, now in second test 65. Hindi, right? Now question number 5 solution, that consider this data collection from the survey of a colony. Draw a double bar graph of choosing appropriate scale. What do you infer from the bar graph? So that is the first part of that one is graph. I am drawing here that graph. You can see that because here is a more space than. Okay, see that here. No problem is here. So scale we will take that 100, 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100, 1200, maximum is 1240. So 1300. So double bar graph like question number 4, that watching and participating 1240. So first of all you will be leave the one box or in graph 1240, that must be come up to here approximately, and then second 620 approximately, that will become up to here, right? And leave the one box 470, that approximately up to here, and then participating 320, that approximately here, and then 5 10, 5 10, leave one box, and then 5 10, it means up to just above the 500, and then 320, similarly that will become previous type, and leave one box again. 430, 430, that will be just here, this is the approximately, and 250, that will be 250 up to here, and then 250 again for the next, and then 105, that up to 100 approximately 105, and then you will be write the things also, that watching, this is watching, participating, watching, participating, watching, participating, watching, participating, watching, participating. Okay, I am written the first letter of this thing, and then you will be write these things also. In third question you will be write here number of children, number of children, here you will be write number of children, and here class. Here also in fourth question, that is teams, and then here you will be write, this is the fourth subject. In this here also you will be write subject, and here you will be write teams. No, just wait. Here you will be write favorite subject, favorite sports, favorite sports, or here you will be write watching, participating, watching and participating. Now the question number, second part of this fifth question, which is the scale is also left here. Scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 100 participator or person. Second part of this question, that is which sport is most popular? Obviously cricket. And then which is the more preferred, watching or participating? Watching. Third part, watching table you are looking, every time is up, watching. That watching. And then question number 6. Take the data given the minimum and maximum temperature various cities given in beginning of this. Plot the double bar graph using the data and answer the following. So 6 question, first part. So double bar graph. So first of all we will go to table. Where is the table? See that. First of all we will see the table 3.1. That's on page number 57. That is a table. We will draw the double bar graph. You will be draw the double bar graph here, and then after you will be give the answer. That is the answer. See the bar graph also. That maximum 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, because maximum is here is given 41. So first is 38 and 29. 38 and 29. 38 means up to here, and then 29 that will become up to here, right? This is the maximum, this is the minimum. Then 37, 26. 37, 26. 37 means up to here, and 26 must become up to here. 28, 21. 28 that will be here, and 21, and then leave one more. 36, 27. 36 up to here, about up to here, and then 27 about be here. 38, 28. 38 that will be up to here, and 28 about be here. 39, 29. 39 up to here can be, and 39, 29. 29 up to can be here. 39, 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 41, 26. 41, 26 just be up, and 26 can be up about be here. Leave one box again. 32, 27. 32 and 27 that can be here, right? This is the maximum, minimum. Again you will be right, maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum. Okay. So there will be here is a few questions also. That is the first part. Scale also. Scale is equal 1 centimeter is equal to 100 degree Celsius. 100 degree, so 10 degree Celsius. Which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city? Jammu and Bangalore. Second part is Jammu, Bangalore. Bangalore. Second part, third part. You will see when you will see the table, then you will be see. Name two cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature. Bangalore and Jaipur. Jaipur and Bangalore. Jaipur and Bangalore. Fourth part, name the city which the least difference between the its minimum and maximum temperature. Mumbai. Okay.